Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a blog inside HubSpot using the full 2026 setup. If you want to publish articles, share updates, or create a content hub for your business, HubSpot gives you everything you need in one place. So first, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click Log In, and sign into your account. Once the dashboard loads, we're ready to begin. Start by going to the top navigation bar and clicking Marketing. Hover over Website and choose Blog. If this is your first time creating a blog, HubSpot will show a setup screen with a Create Blog button. Click it and choose whether you want your main blog or an additional one. You can run multiple blogs inside HubSpot depending on your plan. Next, choose a template for your blog. HubSpot provides modern themes that you can customize. Select the one you like, then adjust the branding, your colors, fonts, header layout, and post style. After that, continue to the blog settings page, give your blog a name, set your blog URL, choose your language, and customize your subscription preferences so readers can sign up for updates. Once your blog is created, click Create Post to start writing your first article. HubSpot's blog editor is very flexible. Add your blog title, write your content, insert images, videos, quotes, tables, whatever you need. You can drag and drop modules to change the layout and make your posts visually appealing. On the left side of the editor, open the SEO panel to optimize your post. Here, you can write your meta description, check readability, add target keywords, and review suggestions to help your content rank better in search engines. When your post is ready, click Publish. Your blog will go live immediately on your HubSpot hosted domain or your connected custom domain. You can schedule posts, clone posts, and organize everything with tags and topics. And that's it. That's how to create a blog on HubSpot using the 2026 setup. Once your blog is live, you can keep publishing new content, track performance, and grow your audience, all from inside HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.